to transform a life. That is my dream.
It really makes me so excited when I see a farmer's life changed.
My
name is Juliet Chauma Ochaya. I own an agro-input shop called Gangpu Farmers Limited. Way back when I was in undergraduate, I think we had very few female lecturers. Actually, we had only one in our faculty. But currently, I can see the number has gone up.
Yeah, that is because if you look at in Gulu, most of the office attendants are female. And most of the lecturers are males. Give an example for my department, we are only 2 females. So most of the students came to me, Madam, you're young. How are you doing this? You're my role model. You inspire me. So I didn't know that something small I was doing, and students come to me and say, wow, I want to be like you.
From the ECART interaction with us and through the ECART project, we were the first as a faculty, Education and Environment, to produce the faculty-based gender policy. That policy acts as a catalyst for mainstreaming gender in the university affairs. So what has happened is that the gender policy now provides for equal opportunities for both men and women in terms of students, staff, and the community members.
The ECART project assisted me because it covered my tuition and also gave me part of the research grant.
Actually, I was among the people who participated in the formulation of the gender policies. The implementation is still slow, I would say, but right now we have very many graduate assistants who are being trained. And I think years before you would have only a department full of male and there's no female in there.
My wish for the next generation of female in agriculture is they should be at the top.
At first I thought maybe agriculture was basically for men, but it's so encouraging to see that even the females are lecturing in the faculty.
And I feel like I have not achieved so much, but just that small step and me being a woman encourages another girl, another student to, try and achieve also a higher heights.